Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. So what we got here, this is the charger, the original one with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable. And let's check also this paper box. So we got here it's the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide, with the warranty card inside, I think. And also this is the just protective case, the silicone one. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.